Hey guys, hand waving. Welcome back to the channel. If you love EvoWorld.io and you want free gems without hacks or scams, then this video is 100% for you Gemfire. Today I'll show you how to get free gems, real methods that actually work, bonus tips most players don't know, and a giveaway at the end. Gift right finger, so don't skip the video, because skipping equals missing gems. Cool. Before we start, hit that subscribe button, red heart, because I upload daily EvoWorld tips, free gems methods, updates, skins, and giveaways. Check mark subscribe now, thumbs up like this video, speech balloon comment, gems, to enter the giveaway. Alright, let's start. Rocket. First and most important method is daily login rewards. A lot of players ignore this crossmark, but EvoWorld gives free gems just for logging in daily. Right finger, what you need to do. Open EvoWorld.io every day. Complete daily missions. Stay active for a few minutes. Light bulb pro tip. Don't just log in and leave. Play for 5 to 10 minutes to activate full rewards. This method is slow but 100% safe. Checkmark. Party popper. Whenever EvoWorld launches, limited time events, special game modes, seasonal updates, you can earn free gems. Gem boosts high voltage, exclusive skins. Dragon right finger, what you should do. Always check the event tab. Play event modes first. Focus on objectives, not kills. Warning, many players miss this and lose free rewards. Yes, ads are annoying. Cold sweat smile, but they are free gems machines. In EvoWorld, watch short ads. Get gems or boosts. No risk, no ban. Light bulb tip. Watch ads when you are waiting or AFK. Easy gems, zero effort. Thumbs up. Important warning, never trust unlimited gems websites, APK mods, fake generators, crossmark. They will steal your account, get you banned, waste your time. If it sounds too good to be true, it's fake. Prohibited. Now the best part. Gems giveaway. Giftfire. I'm giving free gems to lucky subscribers. Right finger, how to enter. Keycap 1, subscribe to this channel. Keycap 2, like this video. Thumbs up. If this video helped you, please like, thumbs up, share with friends. Subscribe. Red heart. I post EvoWorld.io updates, free gems methods, new skins and secrets. Speech balloon, comment below. Should I upload more free gems videos? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace. Scissor fire.